Hello, customers. In this video, I am going to show you how to manage projects and jobs to your company. So first, you just need to log into your Admin Access account, go to Settings, and click on Projects. The Project tab is where an admin goes to create a new project, and the projects can have multiple jobs. One job can only belong to one project. So the project feature of Open Time Clock helps users to manage and track time for a specific task. Admins can create projects with names and budgets while employees log their hours spent on each project. So this setup allows for detailed reporting on productivity and costs, and it can alert users if they're nearing budget limits. So that's the use of our projects. Once you click on projects, you are going to see this on your screen. As you can see, there are sample projects that I have created here, and I will show you how to add a new one. Just need to click on Add Project, and then what is the name of your project? Let's create a new one. And project code. So as you can see, this is not optional, so you need to put a project code here. So let's say this is our project code, and as you can see, there is a client rate. So that means this is where you're going to put the amount of the rate. So let's say 100, and then you can put here the name of the sponsor. So let's say this sponsor client is named Rosie, and then put the description here. It's up to you. If you want to add a description here, then you click on Add after you click on. Add, you will be able to see here all the information that you have entered, so that means this project is already created. If you need to make some changes, you can go ahead and click on Edit and then change or edit what you need here and then click on. Save. If you want to hide this specific project, you can just click on the archive, and as you can see, you will no longer see the project that we have created here, but if you want to bring it back, you can see it here and then you can delete this. Project permanently, and you can also unarchive it to bring it back to our main projects. And you can also see here Import Excel. Once you click on that, you can download an example template. And then once you have successfully created this one, you can choose File to upload. And then you will be able to import the files. So let's now move on to the jobs. So as you can see, there is a note here. If your employees need to clock in and out for working departments, you can use jobs for the same purpose. This means that it has the same purpose as a department. It's just that when we say jobs, it is of course a specific job. So let's say your company has a specific job for specific employees, then you can add this one. So the job features here in Open Time Clock allow users to categorize and track the period of specific jobs or tasks within a company. So the admins can create job types and assign them to the employees, who then log their hours worked on these jobs. So once they clock in or clock out, it is on the specific job. This helps in tracking labor costs and productivity for different roles or projects. So how to add the job? You just need to click here, Name of the job. So this is just optional. You have an option to change it if it's paid, partially paid, or unpaid. Is this billable to client? Yes or no? Once you click on yes, you need to enter here the rate, and then you need to choose on what specific project it is for. Let's say this job is for sample project. It's up to you if you want to add a description as well, and then you need to click on Add. As you can see, it is already added here on our jobs. The same goes for how you can edit it. If you want to make changes, just need to click on Edit and Save. If you want to hide it, you just need to click on Archive, and if you want to show it one more time again to your jobs, you just need to click on Archive, same as our projects. If you want to delete it, you can just click on Delete. Here, after you archive this specific job, you also have here an option to import in Excel, the same as what you're going to do in importing a project. You need to download the Excel template file first. After you have completed that, you need to upload it so it will be imported here in our system. So that is how you create a job. And once you click on Assign the job to the user, of course, this is the part where you are going to assign a specific employee or user to a specific job. Once you click on this, you will be directly routed to this tab, which is Job Assignment. So in this part, this is the time that we're going to assign an employee to specific jobs. So you have here an option to change it. View by user or view by job, and then assign to selected users, assign to selected departments, or assign to all users. So let's go ahead and assign to select our users. So for example, this one, Bill Gates, we are going to assign this person to what job? Let's say job 1, then assign. As you can see, the job will be in line with the name of the employee, and once you want to remove it, you just need to click on this X icon. That means this reason is already removed to this specific job, and then if you want to select a department, so that means to say that this specific department, meaning for example this sample department 1. All the people or all the users in here will be assigned to this specific job. Let's say we're going to assign them to a sample job. Just need to click on Assign. So all the people or all the users under this department will be assigned to this specific job. When assigned to users, then that means all of the users will be assigned to all of the jobs that we have created in the system. So that's how projects and jobs work in our system. Thank you.